These are 5 signs that your boiler might need an upgrade. If your radiators take longer than usual to heat up, it could indicate a problem with your boiler. While simple fixes like bleeding radiators might help, persistent issues may point to a more serious problem. Any unusual smell coming from your boiler, especially a burning or gas-like odour, is a serious warning sign. It could indicate a carbon monoxide leak, which can be deadly. Everyone's bills have gone up the last few years, but if your gas bills are increasing without a change in your usage patterns, it could be a sign of an inefficient boiler. Older boilers often become less efficient over time, leading to higher energy consumption. Water leaks around your boiler are a clear sign of a problem as well. Ignoring a leak can lead to further damage like rust or structural damage, and increase your energy costs. Unusual noises such as banging, clunking, or whistling can indicate a variety of issues, from worn-out valves or pumps to more serious problems. Make sure you get the advice of a which trusted trader recommended heating engineer near you who can tell you if the time has come to get a new boiler. And be sure to check out our brand new shiny home energy planning tool to see if a heat pump might be better for you instead.